let's talk about assets. Assets are any items of value other than necessary personal items. We allow for the use of the under 5,000 asset form if the total household assets are under 5,000. There are some management companies, some owners, and some other programs that require, no matter if assets are under 5,000 or not, that all assets be third-party verified. We require that third-party verification of assets only occur if total household assets are over 5,000. So just for Section 42 in Utah, if assets are under 5,000, you can go ahead and use the under 5,000 asset form for the household. If assets are over 5,000, or if you have additional restrictions that you must follow, then verification must be third party, must be in writing, and there's a calculation that you need to do. So you need to find the market value of each asset. You need to find any conversion costs to convert that asset to cash. So if I was going to cash out a 401k and I am not 59 and a half or 70, there's going to be some penalties that I'm going to pay. So now please understand that any prospective residents or any residents, they do not have to cash out or liquefy any of their assets. That is never a requirement for Section 42. But we do want to see, if they did, what is the value of those assets for them as of today. So you want to take into consideration any conversion costs to convert that asset to cash. And then, do they have any loans out on that asset? So they have a home and they do have a loan out on it. You want to take that into consideration as well. Now, this is how you get the cash value of each asset. If this is a negative number, you would list this as a 0 on the tenant income certification form. If this is a positive number, you would list it as whatever it is. Now, another thing that you need to do is you need to take the market value times the actual interest rate that they're receiving for this asset to get your asset income. Now, you need to do this for each asset for the household. And then if the assets are over 5,000, you need to take the total cumulative assets and times them by the imputed rate, which is currently 0.06%, and then whichever is higher, the actual asset income total or the imputed asset income, and you need to add the higher of the two to the annual income for the household.